Oh, Merry Christmas from the folks at Electric Battery Station. To all the big boys and girls, whether you have a hot rod or a low rider or just an old lead sled, Santa's workshop is open for those winter repairs and maintenance needs. Bring your old sled, drag it in or cruise on by. Santa will get you cruising slow or fast smoothly to those spring shows. Santa loves old rides. Bring your goodies, we'll put them on with care as we have since 1917. So come to Santa's approved workshop at 718 South 1st Street, downtown San Jose. Santa's helpers will fix you up with coffee or hot chocolate or other fine, shiny things. Oh yes, ladies, a gift he's sure to love. Keep his hands clean for those Christmas hugs. Look for that sale. Bring your own part or get 10% off December and January. Start your year off right, safe and smooth to those shows. So call my helper, Mr. Dale, at 408-292-8464. Oh, let's see what's in Santa's shop. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's in DAG. An NOS distributor cap for Joey and a set of points. Look, a carb. Fixed like new in my very own workshop or order a new one from up north. Old sleds are dear to us at Electric Battery Station. Merry Christmas on Chevy, on Ford, on Dodge too, down to my magic shop. You can call home. Merry Christmas from Electric Battery Station. Now Santa will say a homespun prayer just for you. Oh my Lord, thank you for the wheels that keep us going down your road we call life. Thank you for keeping the USA safe. We pray for our soldiers who are away from their home, protecting us as the men of old that did what was right. Thanks for courage that will take us to brighter days, our land of milk and honey and a rod or two. Bless this land we call home as we call home hugs extended across this great land. May we never forget the men and women who laid their lives down in far-off lands, keeping us a safe place to lay our heads this Christmas night.